Hello friend, welcome back to my channel fachibmanuniversity.com. Today I'm going to show you Fiverr Rocket product review. Creator of this product, Trevor Carr, and this product goes live on 17th April 11 AM EST. I'm in the sales page right now of this product Fiverr Rocket, guys. Fiverr Rocket is a 100% real system and training. I'm going to show you all the information step by step about this product Fiverr Rocket. So please keep patient and watch this video until very end, because I will give you $3,745 bonuses, guys. Okay. Revealed the secret Fiverr hack that Max discovered by accident. It is making him up to $500 per hour, and it is already made him over $20,000 in a couple of months. No hard work, no tech skills, no previous experience. How this? I'm going to show you all the information. So I'm going to back on my blog here, Passive Money University. I wrote the full review about this product Fiverr Rocket. Okay, if you are a failure person or if you want to make use of money from Fiverr, this method, this is a video training method, guys, is for you. So please keep patient. So what is Fiverr Rocket all about? Fiverr Rocket is an A to Z blueprint that teaches you everything you need to outrank your competitors and start making your first Fiverr sales very soon. No matter if you are already working as a freelancer and you are looking to find new clients, or you don't have any experience and you think you don't have what it takes to get started on Fiverr, I'm going to show you all the information how to get tons of free money from Fiverr, guys. Okay, they will teach you step by step. Or you are looking for a fast way to make money online, either way this course will teach you everything that you need to know to start making your first dollars on Fiverr. And once you reach this initial goal, Fiverr Rocket will teach you how to scale things up, finds how you can get tons of orders without doing the work yourself. Look at what Max is doing. Like this is a Max doing, guys, already Fiverr, and they will show you exactly the same system how to get you free money from Fiverr. Okay, guys, imagine what it would be like to have people waiting in line for your service that you provided without even doing the work, and know exactly what to offer them and why to get it done for a fraction of the price they are willing to pay. Know that every month you have an extra income stream following in, and see your Fiverr sales grow and grow with less than an hour a day being spent on your entire business. This is the price and upsells of this product Fiverr Rocket. I'm going to show you all the information on the sales page here, so please keep patient. This product, this info product, will give you 30 days money back guarantee. Look, guys, here 30 days money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose actually. Okay, here is the front end price is only $12.95. OTO number 1 is advanced training. They will give you advanced training. That's why how to generate tons of money like $20,000, $5,000, $10,000 every single month. Okay, guys, they will teach you everything with OTO number 1, and OTO number 2 is done for you. All that done for you, that exact their system, that their blueprint exact system, and they will this exact system will for you increase your business and make money from online, make money from Fiverr. OTO number 3 is one call, like $197. Downsell is $97. This is the all information is here, guys. Front end is Fiverr Rocket $12.95. Access the powerful Fiverr Rocket software and training modules. Option number 1 is advanced training. You will learn advanced strategies that will bring more success, sales, and traffic to your Fiverr gigs. Besides, you will learn what things you have to avoid in order to be successful on Fiverr. Guys, I'm going to show you all of my bonuses here, so please keep patient. This is my $3,745 bonuses. Okay, that's I will give you. This option number 1 is advanced training. Option number 2 is done for you. You can learn back and relax, as you will get custom SEO optimization, gig images, and a SEO optimized gig title, a custom SEO gig description. They will teach you all. Okay guys, episode number 3 is one call. You will be able to talk to the course creator and successful Fiverr seller max per 45 minutes and ask all the questions you have about Fiverr, and you will get additional tips and hacks to scale their Fiverr business even further up. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Get super fast results, secret hack method not showing before, perfect for stone cold newbies, great for experienced marketers, takes advantage of the changing world in 2021, no quotable money back guarantee, tap into over 3.4 million hungry buyers, and biggest opportunity for a lifetime deal. Guys, this method will give you 30 days money back guarantee. All of this is covered by no question asked 30 days money back guarantee, and these are my exclusive bonuses not available anywhere else. I'm going to show you all of my bonuses step by step, guys, so please keep patient and watch this video until very end. Then I'm going to show you all the sales page information, how you will be benefited join this course. I'm going to show you all the secret. Okay, this is my special bonus that I will give you 21 high quality PLR ebooks that you can rebrand, resell and keep 100% profit, guys. And this is my exclusive bonus, that's 28th software that I personally use of my business. I hope this software, this bonuses will change your life, I hope, and change your business, online business also. Okay guys, bonus number 1 is email profits formula. Bonus number 2 is Care Research Ninja 2.0. Bonus number 3 is 21 email marketing hacks. Bonus number 4 is Synapse Traffic Booster. Bonus number 5 is Solo at Sales Panels. Bonus number 6 is Lead Generation Authority Gold Upgrade. 7th is Fan Page, Facebook Fan Page at Secrets. 8 is WP Email Timer Plus License. 9 is Bitcoin for Profit. Bonus number 10 is Social Team All-in on social media marketing tool. This is a software, guys, actually. Bonus number 11 is AdSense Site Creator. This is another software that you will be able to, this easy to use software, generate an AdSense site compatible with home range, that's wallets, articles and RSS feeds. Bonus number 12 is Backlinks for your software. Bonus number 13 is WFin Content Pop-Up Pro. Bonus number 14 is WFin Video Focus. Bonus number 15 is Master Instagram Video to reach a huge audience. Bonus number 16th is 100 product free selling tips. Bonus number 17th is 100 mobile web templates. This is a very important bonus actually. Bonus number 18 is Twitter success. Bonus number 19th is free Facebook traffic. Bonus number 20 is Pinterest profits. Bonus number 21st is WordPress video robot plugin. 22nd is WordPress automatic plugin. 23rd is shareable video embed. 24th is countdown. 25th is 100 mobile ClickBank website template. 26th is ClickBank lead generating videos. 27th is master pop-ups, WP pop-up plugin for email subscription. And bonus number 28th is LinkedIn or Automation multi-account license and white label. Bonus number, this is my 28th software, and I will also give you extra bonuses, 5 cover graphic templates. Just 2 simple steps to get all the bonuses, guys. Get Fiverr Rocket by clicking here to download it now, or throw any link on this page. Your bonuses will be delivered inside your Warrior Plus Fastest dashboard, because this is a Warrior Plus product. If you have any problem in receiving your bonuses, you can email us. Our email is here and I will help you out. Here is access to your purchase, access to your bonuses, guys. Okay, super easy to use. And what are you waiting for? 30 days money back guarantee. You have got nothing to lose. I'm just jump on the sales page here, and I'll show you all the information on the sales page. Get super fast and results, biggest opportunity for a lifetime, and find out how you can get a ton of orders without doing the work yourself. Look at what Max is doing. Max turns 10 into $300 over and over again, like this, guys. This is a Fiverr dashboard actually. Introducing Fiverr Rocket is here. Here is a lots of information, guys. So here is was Max desperately trying to figure out Fiverr, and then boom, he cracked it. Okay, just click the link, guys, link in my video description below, and check out at first all the information step by step. Then you check out this, then you grab all of my bonus and grab this method, join this training method. Okay, Stop running and around looking for the next big thing and concentrate on a proven business model that works. Okay guys, and this is another testimonial. This is a lots of testimonial is here. Take a look at what our students are saying. This is the testimonials about this product. Okay, this is another, and multi-thousand selling Bobby D is blown away by Max Grasshopper's new course. Okay guys, you join this course, I highly recommend, because they will give you 30 days money back guarantee. If you purchase FiberRocket, take the training and implement hot max traces and don't get result, we would be shocked, but we'll give your money back if you have any problem or you don't any money from Fiverr. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you understand about this FiberRocket info product. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. StitchAPU. Thank you, and don't forget to grab all of my bonuses here. Okay guys, StitchAPU. See you too.